To teach students good digital citizenship skills, we can follow the S3 framework. Be safe, be savvy, and be social. We should teach students these three principles as soon as students are interacting with a technological device. The first S in the S3 framework focuses on the principle of safety. You should tell your students to protect themselves and to protect others. For example, students should know the importance of keeping their passwords safe. That is one example that you could teach them within the first principle in the S3 framework. Savvy refers to teaching students how to use technology as a tool to educate themselves and to connect with others. And the last principle of S3 is social. This refers to teaching students the importance of respecting ourselves and respecting others. The S3 framework is a simple way to teach our students how to be a good digital citizen.